Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here today we are going to learn or understand the Google Classroom. As we are all in online teaching, so we are using the Google Classroom. Being a new user for Google Classroom as a teacher, we must have to understand the environment of Google Classroom app. At the Android, first we must have to ensure ourselves that we have downloaded the Google app in our Android from Play Store. When we tap on the app, by just opening first screen of the Google Classroom, there we will find the list of all classes. These are the classes that we may have created by ourselves, or we are invited as a co-teacher, or we are enrolled as a student. So whatever the class, whether it is created or invited, where we are as a teacher or co-teacher, we can make post announcements, we can create different test questions, we can create topics. All these options are available with teacher account. So for that, we must have to tap on that class where we want to create, or we need to create, post, or make stream announcements. So when we open that class tab, when we open the required class, there we will find three important classroom tabs. These tabs are stream, classwork, and pupil. Here we are going to explore these three tabs one by one. For this purpose, just tap on your classroom app. When the Google Classroom app opens, here all the classes are listed. These are the classes which are created under this account, and there are some classes where this account is added as a co-teacher, and there are some classes in which this account is registered as a as a student. So in that case, we are going with our class. Just say 10th rows 2021 session, and we need to create here an announcement and material for the class. So for this purpose, we will tap on the class. Now the class is open. When we open the class, here is the environment of the classroom for 10th rows or any class that where we are as a co-teacher, or we have created by ourselves by the account. So at the bottom we can see there are three tabs: stream, classwork, pupil. Pupil tab, here it is very much simple that with this tab we can find how many teachers are here, and the creator will have this email icon, whereas the rest all the teachers, we are all co-teachers. And here the student list will give us all the students who are enrolled here just as a student. Then comes the stream tab, first tab. In this stream, we will post some announcements in the class just by clicking at the share with your class. These are just simply announcements, and these announcements are just simple messages for the class open, or we can say that we are giving some notice to the class, and this current notice or information can be shared with more than one classes just by tapping on this class, and here all the classes are here by default. In which class we are, that is almost, that is by default selected, but we can also post the same announcement stream message for rest of the classes also. If we have the class more than one classes at the time, we can select those classes just by tapping. But as I am having only one class at the moment, so that's why just click your required class, and then here we can also select the students with which only we want to share the announcements. So in this way our announcement will be received by only selected students. Done. So just type your message over here. Let's say I have already composed my material, so that's why I'm just pasting it, and now add the here this announcement will go over the stream, and this announcement will not have any topic related with it. So that's why it is just a class notice board on which we give the open messages. For one class or multiple classes at the same time, for one student or all the students are selective students. And we can also add some attachments with this attachment icon, whether from drive link, we can give any open website link with this link option, or we can upload the file that is present in your device or in your drive, and we can also tag photo of any current book page, and we can record the video. So these are the options with which we can attach some links or files with the announcements also. Here comes the posting, just to post it. So this message will go on the stream. Clear? But this stream messages cannot be managed or organized, but we can manage them with the use of topic. How we can use the topic? Just by tap at the classwork, and with the classwork here comes the create icon with this plus symbol, and create, when we will create it, we will just tap at the material, and from material we will give here the title for our this material post, like it is CS activity for 5th January 2022. Here we will paste our composed message, and same the class selection and student selection can be formed. And here comes the topic. From here we can give the topic, we can select the topic. Let's say we have made the already made the CS activity topic, so we will select it. Otherwise, if you don't have any topic till now, you can create with this add topic option. Just type over here and save it. As I have already selected, so that I will select it, save it, and now when this post will be posted, and with this we can also add the attachments. As I don't need, so that's why just I am posting it. But you can also schedule your post for the future day class or future day, sorry. Current day cannot be scheduled, it will be just saving the draft and post it at the time of the class. With scheduling, just tap on the schedule. Now it is by default at 12 p.m. 6 January it will be posted in your class. Clear? But this was for 5th January. So that's why we will click on it and remove the scheduling and just post it. Now the material is posted in class. Now this message will also come at stream that new material CS activity 5th January is posted. The same announcement that we have created with stream, here we don't have any topic, but when we created with classwork, create command and material option, now the topic is with heading and class can give the comment over it. So hopefully now we can create a material post with linking some material file or an online link. This link may be online YouTube tutorial link. So in this way our post can be created. Hopefully now stream and classwork tab is a little bit clearer. We will make some more tutorials for more better understanding about classwork tab in future, nearby future. Thank you.